Thank you, Fred. Fred asked me to talk to you guys today about the 5 things that I think are most significant in the data management space over the next decade or so. And so they are on the slide that's now on your screen. And the 5 of them are the fact that one size doesn't fit all anymore. And I'll tell you what that means. And I think that will end up giving a world of hurt to the major relational database vendors who I affectionately call the elephants. The second thing I want to talk about is the meaning of big data. It's a term bandied about, but it means lots of different things, and you've got to know which of these things you're talking about in order to make any sense out of big data. The third thing I want to talk about is ACID, and the fact that ACID is really important in spite of what the naysayers say. The fourth topic is memory is the new disk. We all have to start thinking about that L2 is the new memory, memory is the new disk, and so forth. And then the last thing I want to talk about is the cloud. And the cloud is clearly the answer. The real question is how to get there. So those are the 5 topics for today, and Fred says I can talk for about 45 minutes, and so I will make sure that I'm not too long-winded. So now let's look at what the elephants are up against. Well, let's start with the data warehouse market. It turns out that column stores are about a factor of 50 faster than row stores in the data warehouse market, well understood by everyone. And by the way, the legacy elephants are selling row stores. So they have the old technology, and there's something else that's a factor of 50 faster. If you move over to the OLTP market, well, things like VoltDB that are low overhead main memory database systems are about a factor of 50 faster than the elephants in OLTP. Okay, so that was the first mega trend. The second thing I want to talk about is big data. So big data, I think the easiest way to talk about big data is in terms of which of the 3 V's you're talking about. So big data can mean big volume, that you've got a lot of it, you've got terabytes going on petabytes. It can mean you've got big velocity data, which is it's coming at you faster than you can absorb it, and you're trying to drink from a fire hose. The third thing it can mean is that you've got a large variety of data sources, say 10,000, and you've got a horrible data integration problem.